I know we've all heard 2023 will be my year. No, 2024 will be my year. Actually, 2025 will actually be my year. I think these past years we've done a lot of learning, a lot of lessons. We deserve a year and it is coming to us. For some reason, I really feel that it's this year. I don't know about you. It is officially time to have a year where blessings outweigh the lessons. And I just want a year where it feels like win after win after win. And although we cannot manipulate, we cannot predict what the world has in store for us, we can work through it to make that become our reality. So today we're going to be doing a million things to genuinely prep and design a plan for what we want this year to look like. I just made it into CVS and I think one of the first steps is gathering all the supplies that we're gonna need. I want to make my vision board because I want to look for what I want to accomplish this year, what I want this year to look like. I ordered ahead of time some prints to pick up here in CVS. I want this vision board to look amazing. We are back in the car. We have all our 2026 vision board prints in here. There is a lot. Just seeing my vision board in my room every single day, I think is gonna make me want to work for that even more. Because I don't know if you guys have ever seen on TikTok those girls that are like, my vision board, and then their reality. I want that to be me. Before we go home and start doing all the little prep things we're gonna do, I want to go into the store and get myself a little like healthy shot. I've been doing those recently and they make me feel so good throughout my day. I also want to see if I can get myself a little cake. I've seen on TikTok how people are doing this year. I think it's really nice to plan out what you want your year to look like, but I also think it's nice to live in the moment and kind of look back and see what you've actually accomplished this year. So let's do that. We're back. Okay, let me give you guys a short little haul. I got myself some flowers. I really feel like this is a full circle moment because I ended 2025 with flowers and I'm starting 2025 with fresh, beautiful flowers. That difference is insane. I also got myself some little shots. These are healthy girl shots. They just make me feel so good. I got myself a little treat. But you know what? Once in a while, having a little chocolate, it's not a bad choice. It's happiness. Wow, that's gorgeous. I also went and picked up a cupcake and some sticky notes. And lastly, I got everything to make my vision board. It's time to make our vision board. Everything we do here is intentional. The questions that I was asking myself while I was scrolling through Pinterest, look for pictures that showed in a photograph what I want 2026 to look like for me. I was sitting here and asking myself what I wanted 2026 to tell me, to say to me, to teach me, to do for me. First off, this year I want to travel. I want to travel young. I want to travel broke. I want to travel free. So I picked quite a few pictures to really send that message out there. For example, there's this picture. I want this to be me and Miranda. 2026, I also want to be in my fitness era. I have been really good about being consistent when it comes to the gym. Now it's more I want to achieve a certain body type. I think my biggest pile here is career-wise. I have so many goals when it comes to my career. I want to do a lot of big things with social media. I definitely picked a lot of pictures that resonated with me. Obviously, I have my foam board and my hundreds of thousands of pictures. I also have some scissors in case I want to cut some out to like make it more aesthetic. And I have a hot glue gun. This was just gonna stick a lot better. First things first, I'm gonna start setting my vision board up the way I think I want it. I don't want to fully commit and start just gluing stuff on. I want to kind of get an idea of where I want stuff to be. look at my vision board. I haven't glued it on yet, but this is kind of how I'm gonna want it. I'm probably gonna do it a little bit cleaner. I kind of sectioned everything. I feel like over here is definitely more like work related. Here's like more gym, and then it's a lot of traveling over here. Oh my god, I love how this looks. Guys, look at the complete vision board. I am obsessed. It has all of my goals and dreams for this year. Here I put traveling things. I want to go to Europe. This is going to be me and Miranda. Bags are going to be packed. I also would love to go to New York this year. More of Europe. I also really want to be and get toned and active with the gym and working out. Here's more of traveling. I really want to work with brands and go to brand events. I would also love to get signed to an agency. Obviously, hit 1 million on YouTube. Go to Coachella with a brand. My teeth transformation this year. Going to a fashion week, New York, Paris Fashion Week. That would be insane. I did want to add things like this, like trust his timing, but with God, all things are possible. Little reminders here and there because I think it's also good to stay grounded. Doing this was insanely therapeutic. I don't even know how to explain it, but I could just see myself walking towards that finish line, and it's a way to just remind myself every day that there's a reason to this and there's light at the end of the tunnel. And I think seeing this and my purpose and what will make me happy every single morning is just a reminder to keep going, to keep pushing. There are things that you still need to do. The world hasn't seen you yet, doesn't know you yet. Get to that point. It is time. Here I have my little vanilla cupcake. The reason why I got this cupcake is because this year it became really popular to do a achievement cake. I think this trend was truly the best way to end 2025. It's really easy to get caught up in what you still want, what you're not doing, basically all the negative things about your life, and it's so easy to like not realize that you are so blessed. We officially have our cake. Each of us have written down little accomplishments from this year that we're going to be placing on. I lost over 10 pounds this year.
I got engaged and married this year.
I met new people who inspire me.
I went to Turks and Caicos.
I started working out consistently for 2 years. Or I've been working out consistently for 2 years.
I got promoted at work.
Stayed consistent with my business.
I started working out.
I started embracing my natural hair.
I lost 25 pounds.
I got to 4 years with Andrea this year.
I got married.
I worked with my dream brand multiple times.
I got closer to my family this year.
This year I tried new things.
I got a new car.
I started to officially be consistent on YouTube.
I went on my honeymoon to my dream destination.
Last year I got closer with my family.
I moved to a new apartment.
I let go of people who didn't benefit me. Look at that. I definitely recommend for you guys to do it. I know it's already into the year, but I think it is never too late to look back and see how far you've come. Wow, such simple little things really make the biggest difference. Making that vision board and doing something as simple as that achievement cake made me just not only be so excited for what's to come and what I want for this new year, but it made me be so appreciative and honestly proud of myself. It is time for bed. I hope this video helped you and this process slash prep helped you as much as it did me. I will see you guys next time.